Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I can officially announce that Jurassic World Dino Tracker toys are released. So today we're gonna unbox the Dino Trackers Danger Pack Brachiosaurus. So this is one of the new toys and we're gonna unbox it. But first we're gonna take a look at the box. So first we definitely have to take a look at Blue and Beta that's on the box. The Jurassic World logo, which is Brachiosaurus Danger Pack. And we've got Dino Trackers. And then we can go to the back. And here it shows all the other dinosaurs you can collect. Dino Trackers, the Jurassic World logo there. Here we've got the Jurassic World fact sack, like stuff there, where you can scan the Brachiosaurus and like just all the instructions here. Well anyway, let's start unboxing. Right now we're gonna need a pair of scissors and we're just gonna cut these bits like so. So it's just that easy. And then we're gonna like get to the bottom and cut it, and there, so we just take it over there. And here's the Brachiosaurus. So let's take a look at it. So we've got this side here, the face, we've got the mouth here, we can pull that open, the neck can move up and down, the legs can move. So the neck can move, the legs can move, the back legs, I don't think they can, oh yeah, the back legs can move, the tail can move a bit, and then we've got the other side, so the same thing, and we've got the code. So right now you can scan the code, and then so that's the Brachiosaurus. Well, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.